Now that IBB, that is Ibrahim Badamusi Babangida, has cleared the air about the initiator of the coup in Nigeria as at 1966, I hope we can now rest. Yorubas, Fulanis, Hausas, I hope we can now rest. That was not an Igbo, but a Yoruba coup that took place, engineered by Obafemi Awolowo. That's as at 1966. Now, all these lies after 50 something years, they have demonized Igbo people. Igbo coup, Igbo coup, Igbo coup. I would prefer calling it a Yoruba coup to calling it an Awolowo coup. People should call it Yoruba coup because they know no name of Igbo person was actually known, like prominent as to the coup. The way that people keep shouting is Igbo coup, the Igbo coup in 99. Nzogu did this, and one wouldn't do that. Forgetting that the Biafra war was a result of too much killings in the north. IBB has testified, though, this is not by me. Go and read IBB's book. Go and read. Some of you don't be sentimental. IBB is not an Igbo person. I know if he's an Igbo person now, they'll say it's them, it's them. This is your brother, your former military head of state. He's talking. He talked. He wrote it down in his book. What's the gain of the whole lies for how many years? 50 something, more than 50 years of lies. Iboku, Iboku. But I don't know if people will pass through this thing we pass through. I don't know if people will be very happy. I don't think you'll be smiling when people look straight to you to lie about you for many years. And that caused a stigma. That must be a stigma. That's why it seems Igbos feel defeated, despite the fact that Gowon declared no victor, no vanquished. Igbos that have that that's why when Igbos see someone that supports them, they feel happy. Some of you say, Igbos are gullible. It's not being gullible, it's the defeat. There's way they think the psychological effect of that defeat is still there of that Biafra war. There was nothing, no victor, no vanquished. Let's accept that Biafrans were defeated. That's why the whole three arrows, sorry, that go on planned to do, it never did anyone. So it was assumed that they were defeated. That is why all the whole things that was told that go on stated he would do for the Igbos, he never did the one. At the end, the whole lies that the coup was Igbo. What has the lie got? Where has the lie gotten to now? All the whole things now, false. What's the gain after more than 50 years? Instead of some people now to retrace themselves, some Yorubas to retrace themselves, you see them trying to defend the fact that the IBB is wrong. IBB, what do you mean by that IBB is wrong? If you fight, you fight. Did you fight any war? These are people that fought a war. One is here to confess. One is here to confess. Maybe his own confession will mark the end of all the debate. Yeah. What are these lies? All these news. That is what all these news broadcasters and all these news television channels that propagates lies. Yeah. What have you gained now? After how many years lying to people, lying and lying. And if you listening to this, you are working in the media house. If you know you'll be lying, better leave that though, because your lies can be the reason why millions of people are dying. Indirectly involved in killing. You don't need to don't be say I think she never shot any gun. No, I never shot a gun. You are monk. If you will broadcast lies, you know the truth. There's a difference between don't know the truth, but you know the truth that this person didn't. This particular story is a lie. You chose to say yes. You join them instead of resigning from that your work. You decide to join to make people die indirectly. I'm not the one they told me, Mr. Man, Mrs. Woman, you are monk. So IPP has cleared the air. We are happy for that. Thank you for everyone for listening.